Good morning. Back at the airport. Today's Saturday. It's about 7:30. A little later today, just because I had a long weekend. I needed to get some sleep and good rest. But today, if all goes well, as always, I'm gonna try one of my longest leg of flying, but also landing the shortest runway I ever been. And it's a really pretty place I want to go, and we'll see how that goes. But we're also might be spending the night there and camping. So weather looks great, everything nice and calm. Let's load the plane, go through the whole thing, and then I'll share a little more. All right, see you up. Clear runway. Don't see that guy. Wenatchee traffic, Cessna 7427 Alpha, departure runway 30, Wenatchee. For heat, carb heat, flaps, trims, pass on both. Clear. Line up. Full power. High rudder. Temperature oil okay. Airspeed is alive. 30. 55. Rotate. Timing BY. Alright, we're set at cruise altitude, 5,500. Engine's running good, everything's set. Very, very smooth day. Beautiful. We're set to our heading destination. Now we're just gonna cruise here for another hour and a half. We're gonna go over some of this plateau here where a lot of the wheat and other grains are grown, and then we'll get to some different topography. But for now, just cruising along. See how it goes. We'll catch up when we get close. Probably do a fly over midfield, inspect the runway, check socks, the whole 9 yards, and then set up for a left downwind entry. And how it goes. Pretty damn smooth. I don't think I've flown this long. This smooth. Amazing. I love it. Once we get about 10 miles from our destination here at Sullivan Lake, we have some terrain that is about 5,600, some 5,300, but I'm at 7,500, so I'll start with a gentle descent, getting close to the altitude we'll need to reach pattern altitude there, which will be 3,600. So and some of these radio calls can't understand nothing. Just gotta keep an eye on it. Have someone on my ADSB 3,000 feet below us, going up river. No factor here. Gas, mixture, pull reach, undercarriage, propeller, seatbelts. It should be right behind us here somewhere. Carb heat. $4,500. That should be it. Sullivan Lake traffic, Cessna 7427 Alpha. We'll be entering on left downwind runway 34, Sullivan Lake.
And Sullivan Lake, that's 579 Charlie, 3,700 climbing, 4,000. Flying up the valley at the south end of the lake, Sullivan Lake traffic.
That looks clear. You have a tailwind, I think. Yep, that's not bad at all. Boy, that is short. We're gonna hug this side. Sullivan Lake traffic says on 7427 Alpha left, downwind runway 34, Sullivan Lake. Power. RV. First notch of flaps. Tiny. Sullivan Lake says on 7427 Alpha, left base runway 34, Sullivan Lake. Ooh, this is tight. Up. Car was stable. Let's get to 70 here. Line up. Have my ending spot pick. 70. Tailwind, so we got a little power here. Drag a little. Rip the nose off the grass. 70. Just good. For landing. Went faster than I wanted, but or made it.
500 will also turn up to that buddy.
Sullivan Lake 77427 Alpha, back taxi runway 16, Sullivan Lake. Yeah, bad up a little more than I wanted, but made it. Really tight runway for sure. I mean, Not for some of you guys, probably not, but for me, I'm just happy we made it. Smooth runway, considering the other ones I landed last few days. Never been here, so I'm not sure, but I've seen people camping on that end. So I'm gonna taxi here to where I can find it. To be home for tonight. This is awesome. Oh lady, you're a rock star. Sullivan Lake, 1,700 feet in the middle of the mountains here. Look behind you here. That's the approach. You're coming in, do a turn around their base, basically over the water, and then just land pretty much a way in, way out, one way in, one way out here. You don't want to take off towards that terrain back there. Super cool place. A lot of tables, fire pits, and carts. Whew, just super cool. There's someone coming in, landing. So let's video them. Nice.
had a great sleep in our little tent. We had company last night. Chuck from Okanagan flew in. He's camping right there. Old lady slept well. Where's the bucky? There's a buck right there. Just eating some grass. Not much frost on the plain, but it's definitely a wind coming from the north towards the lake. It's normal cool draft at this time. So I'm gonna go for a walk around the lake. Wait for the sun to come up, still behind the mountains. And I don't know if you can see the socks there, but yeah. This will be a tailwind to take off here. So I'm gonna go for a walk. Hopefully it warms up and the wind should switch and be a headwind for takeoff. And then we'll go from there. Get some water, maybe a snack, pack everything, and go home. But yeah, cold night. I have 2 jackets on me. It was really cold once the sun went out. But gorgeous. Look at this place. Doesn't get much better than this. Alright, see you guys.
Alright, run up is complete. Got our takeoff aboard. Spot is basically the second gate. Keep an eye on the power. Have a little crosswind on this end and a little tailwind on the other end. Gonna add power slowly again and go from there. Make sure for heat cam heat in both. That trim for takeoff. 10 degrees of flap. Sullivan Lake traffic Cessna 7427 Alpha, departure runway 16, straight out departure to the south. Sullivan Lake. Alright. We got full power, right rudder. Airspeed is alive. Ground effect. We're out. What a beautiful place. We'll catch up to the right. Engines are look good, pressure good, power good. Woo! Nice. Nice. Woo. Man, this is pretty and scary at the same time. Alright, we'll climb. Probably 6'5" going over those things. and then we can drop 4 or 5 on the other side.
Done. She's back in the barn. I'm going home. And we had a great fly. What a place, what a weekend. Looking forward to go back there. All right, thank you. See you guys.